Hello and welcome to this tutorial on connecting Google Analytics with WordPress. Google Analytics is a powerful tool for tracking your website traffic and audience, and integrating it with your WordPress website is easy and straightforward. So in this video I will show you how to do it step by step. Okay, so the first thing is to create a Google Analytics account. If you don't have any Google Analytics account, then you need to go on a website, and the website URL is analytics.google.com. Okay, then press enter. So creating account here is very easy. You just need to click on start for free and follow the instructions to set up the account. Okay, now once you have your Google Analytics account, you need to get a tracking code that you need to paste in your WordPress site, and then Google Analytics will be connected to your website. Now to get an analytics code, we need to set up this thing. So first of all, click on this admin button in the left corner. Now click on create account. So here we need to fill our details. So in this account name you can fill your website name. So our website name is easy books. Okay, I have copied it and then scroll a little bit down. From here you can enable these options as well, which are required. Go a little bit down, then click on next. Here you need to set your property name, and our property name is easy books. Basically property name is your website name. Okay, now here you need to select your reporting time zone. So I'm from India, so here I need to select India, and you can also check your currency. So it's Indian rupee. Click on next. Now you need to select your industry category. So this is an education category. You need to select it accordingly, business size, and then we are going to set all of these. Check all of these. Now go down and click on create. I accept and I accept. Click on I accept, and here you go. Okay, now you need to choose your platform. So right now we are doing this for a website. Click on web. Here write your website URL, and our website URL is easybooks.in. Here we are going to paste our website name. Create stream. Now we need to install a Google tag to our website. So here are multiple methods that you can use a sitekit plugin, or you can do this thing manually. So we are going to do this thing manually, which is not typical. It's very simple, as we have already done in case of Google Search Console. It's similar to that. Okay, now go to your website admin panel. Okay, now we have already installed a plugin that is code snippets. Go in this header and footer section, and now in the header section you need to paste that code. Okay, now click on save changes. Okay, now you can go back to your Google Analytics account and refresh the page as we have already done here. You should see that data is being collected from your WordPress website. So congratulations, you have successfully connected your Google Analytics account with WordPress. Okay, so by using this Google Analytics and this simple header and footer plugin, we can easily check our real-time audience data to our analytic account. If you have any question and need further assistance, then please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.